Hey trainers, ready to unlock the full potential of Pokémon Go? In this guide, I'll walk you through using the amazing Pokémon GO Spoofer, a tool packed with features like teleportation, joystick movement, and access to rare Pokémon, all without needing a computer. It's updated for 2025 and works seamlessly on both iOS and Android. Let's jump in. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please use third-party tools responsibly and follow Pokémon GO's terms of service to ensure fair play. What can the Pokémon GO Spoofer do? Change your location, explore new regions without leaving home, catch rare Pokémon, find and capture Pokémon that are region-locked, participate in global raids, earn rewards by battling anywhere in the world. Joystick feature, navigate easily from your screen. Access Pokéstops and gyms, collect resources from distant locations. How to install the spoofer, open your browser, Google Chrome, Safari, etc. Visit rxgem.com. Use the search bar to find Pokémon GO Spoofer and click Download now. Installation steps. Download 2 recommended apps from the list. Select apps you don't already have. Follow the instructions in these apps, then return to complete the setup. Avoid rapid location changes. Stick to 1 teleport per 24 hours. Use the joystick for realistic movements. Follow the game's guidelines to protect your account. Using the spoofer in Pokémon Go. Once installed, you'll have access to Teleport Anywhere. Instantly visit any location in the world. Joystick movement. Move your character freely without stepping outside. Catch Pokémon everywhere. Unlock access to rare spawns and complete your collection. Global raid battles. Join trainers worldwide for exclusive rewards and Pokémon. And that's it! The Pokémon GO Spoofer is now ready to elevate your gameplay. With these tools, you'll explore, battle, and catch like never before. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching and happy spoofing, trainers!